My new stainless constellation I got. It was at a vacuum shop as a display model. It had never been sold, and they wanted to get rid of it, so I bought it. It's got the HEPA bags, but you can see where the dust comes in and blows out the back. It's still not a very good bag. Here's the turbo nozzle, the floor brush, the upholstery tool, dusting brush, and crevice tool, the owner's manual. Here's the original price tag. Floats really well. It's actually extremely powerful, and the turbo nozzle doesn't disappoint either.